Sana all.
How?
Tropang singer mga idol, hindi nagpapahuli sa kanilang I Love You by Celine Dion. Ito yung kanta na nag-viral mga idol. So panoorin natin ang grupong ito kung gaano nga ba kahalimaw itong mga ito. Grabe, gaganda ng mga boses. Let's go mga idol. Tropang singer. Galing.
Words that are old as time, words only you would hear if only you were mine. I wish I could go back to the very first day I saw you.
Grabe.
Made my move when you looked in my eyes. 'Cause right now I know that you feel the way that I do. And I whisper this word as you lie here by my side. I love you.
Gagaling talaga.
So today I finally find the courage deep inside just to walk right up through your door.
But my body can't move when I finally get to it, just like 1,000 times before. And without a word, he handed me this letter. And I hold the scars away into your heart. It said, I love you. We say you love me too. These 3 words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together till the end of time. Well, maybe I need a little love, yeah. Well, maybe I need a little care. Oh, maybe
Hindi.
all you need is somebody just to hold you. If you do, just reach out and I'll be there. I love you. Please say you love me too. These 3 words, they could change our lives forever. And I promise you that we will always be together. Please say you
Galing.
love me too. Say you
Grabe. Gagaling. Yun po mga idol, ang ating tropang singer. I Love You by Celine Dion. I Love You Challenge. Ang lulupit, grabe itong apat. Wala akong masabi mga idol kundi perfect. Amazing. Rendition nila talaga, grabe. Performance, napaka-energetic, sobra. Amazing. Dito, no? Sa tropang singer. So anong masasabi niyo mga idol sa kanilang performance? Sa kanilang rendition? Na-miss ba kayo? Talagang na-entertain ba kayo? Na-appreciate ba? Please comment down below mga idol para pag-usapan po natin. So, yan po ang ating mga dugong Pinoy pagdating sa kantahan halimaw talaga. Don't forget mga idol to follow sa kanilang Facebook page, Tropang Singer. So, hanggang dito lang ko mga idol. Maraming salamat. Yan ang ating mga dugong Pinoy pagdating sa kantahan halimaw talaga. God bless mga idol.